Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to do technical analysis of Bitcoin and many other altcoins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful informations. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button for this effort right now. This is CoinGecko page and it is here you can see Bitcoin and alts are becoming into green and market is pulling back from the levels. Let me please tell you what are the next target for the Bitcoin and Ethereum and some other important altcoin. So please focus. Uh, this is BTC USDT 1 over Binance chart. BTC is currently trading at $56,906. In my yesterday's videos, in my yesterday video, I was told you that this horizontal support line is very important, and it was at $52,900. And here you can see Bitcoin how beautifully pulled back from that zone, and after that Bitcoin is currently at $56,900, and currently it is creating here you can see it is creating a W pattern, and here you can see. Let me please remove this. Please friends, keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. And let me please show you what are the targets. This is the W pattern, and my first target according to this W pattern, once Bitcoin break this neckline of this W pattern, then our first target will be this, like this. This will be our target once Bitcoin break this. $61,300 is our target once Bitcoin break this neckline of this W pattern, and this is our first target. And let me please tell you my second target according to the technical analysis. And please friends, keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. And this will be our second target, 64,500. These are two immediate short-term targets. Bitcoin can hit these targets within days. These are two targets. Please note down these two targets. Bitcoin pulled back from $53,000 level, and currently it is at $57,000. And these are two targets, 61,300 and 64,400. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. Here you can see Bitcoin breaks successfully EMA ribbon, and EMA ribbon was at 55,500, and now it is in safe zone, and now this EMA ribbon is turned as a support for the Bitcoin right now. And these are the targets for the Bitcoin right now. Please note down these targets, and if you want to trade on Bybit exchange, then please go to in this video description where you can get the link of this Bybit exchange. Just click on this link and create your leverage trading account within 30 seconds, I think so. And if you want to trade on Binance exchange, then this is the link of Binance exchange. You can open both accounts, and please do your own research. And cryptocurrency is very risky and volatile, and I will not responsible any of your loss. This video is just for informational purpose only. Let me please show you my second pick. Friends, because I am going to cover many coins, near about 40 plus coins in this video, that is why I will cover these coins, and please thumbs up the button for the motivation right now. This is the Ethereum 1 hour chart of Tether US Binance chart, and here you can see this was the trend line, upside trend line, and was resistance, and how beautifully Ethereum break this upside trend line, and it is currently trading at $1,734. Our first target will be $1,778. This is first target, and let me please tell you my second target. Here you can see very beautiful W pattern, and once Ethereum break this once Ethereum break the neckline of this W pattern, here you can see this is the neckline, and let me please remove this, and let me please, this is the neckline. Once Ethereum break the neckline of this W pattern, let me please tell you what is the target according to this W pattern. Here you can see how beautifully $1,850, you can say, is our second target. These are two targets, $1,778 to $1,780, and this is our second target, $1,846 to $1,850. These are the targets right now for the Ethereum. These are immediate short-term target. You can note down these targets, and please do your own research before entering in any trade. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at 1711, and now it is turning as a support zone for the Ethereum, and Ethereum is now is safe zone right now. Let me please hide this, and let me please show you my next coin, which is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi break this horizontal resistance, and after that it is currently is at $34,545. It was the area. It is the area where you can see a pullback comes, and Wi-Fi is now is at $34,500. What is our next target for the Wi-Fi right now? Let me please show you. $35,800 is our our first target for the Wi-Fi right now. This is our target, and it is currently is in. I was told you in my previous video. It is in this descending broadening wedge, and once it break this zone, which is at $35,360, then definitely it is going to hit $35,780. You can say this is our first target, 35,770. Let me please show you my second target. Second target is this horizontal resistance, which is currently at 37,065. These are two targets. Once it break this zone, then definitely it will go to hit 39,000. These are three targets: 35,770, 37,065, and third target will be this zone, which is this horizontal resistance, which is at 38,600. You can say. Let me please show you. Third target will be this, and let me please change the color of this, and this is our third target. These are the targets. You can note down these targets, and let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is ADA Cardano. Cardano pullback from $1.06 level, and currently it is at $1.15. And Cardano break this upside trend line. It means Cardano will go up. Here you can see. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see. And Cardano is also creating a W type pattern. And let me please show you the target of this W pattern. This is the neckline. Once Cardano break this, ADA break this, then definitely it will going to hit this target. This is our first target for the Cardano right now. 1.27, but for this Cardano have to break $1.21. This is the horizontal resistance, which is at $1.21, and this is our first target, $1.27. And let me please show you, and let me please tell you my second target for the Cardano right now. $1.37, or you can say $1.36, is our second target for the Cardano. These are two targets for the Cardano right now. Let me please tell you my next one, which is TRX Tron. Tron was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully Tron break this falling wedge, and now it is currently at $0.06. And Tron was also creating this W type pattern. Here you can see a beautiful W type pattern. Once Tron break this neckline, let me please show you what is the target. This is our first target for the TRX right now, 0.064, and second target is this beginning of this falling wedge, which is at 0.066. Second target is this zone. This is our second target, 0.006, 0.06657. These are two targets. But for this Tron should have to break this upside resistance, which is currently at 0.062. If Tron break this, then definitely it is going to hit these targets. Otherwise, some sideways action. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Chainlink. Chainlink pull back from this zone, which is $26.2, and now it is going to break this falling wedge. And once it breaks this falling wedge, let me please show you the target. First target for the Chainlink is this zone, which is $29.80. But for this, Chainlink should have to break these upside resistances, which is at $28 and $28.72. Once Chainlink break these resistances, then definitely it have to hit $29.8 is our first target. And our second target, let me please show you. Our second target will be the beginning of this falling wedge, which is at $31.4. Let me please label on this. This is our second target. These are two targets currently. But if unfortunately Chainlink rejected from this zone, then in that case some sideways action. After that it will go up. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Stellar. Stellar was in this falling wedge and broadening falling wedge, and here you can see it is currently trading at $0.40, and this is the upside resistance, which is at 0.04, 0.40, $0.4035, and once it break this horizontal resistance, in that case our first target, let me please tell you, because it's also creating a W pattern. Here you can see, and once it break this W, then definitely it have to, sorry for this, in that case definitely it have to hit this zone. Sorry for that again. This will be our first target, but let me please label on this $0.42, but for this it have to break these upside resistances, which are at 0.41 and $0.42, and once it break this zone, then definitely it will go up. Let me please show you my second target according to this. Sorry for that. Our second target will be this. These are two targets, $0.435 and $0.421. These are two targets, but for this Stellar have to break these resistances, which are at 0.41 and 0.42. Once it break these, then definitely it will going to hit these targets. If it break from if it fails to break this zone, then maybe some sideways action like this, but I think it will go up. Let me please show you my next one, which is Uni USDT. Uni was rejected from this zone, and Uni was pulled back from this zone, which is $29.68, and now it is currently trading at $31.50. Once it break this this resistance, then let me please show you my target. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This will be our first target, and now these are resistances, not support line. That is why I am going to change the color of these lines. These are resistance levels. 34.18 is our first target, and our second target will be this zone, which is at 35.884. These are two targets. Please note down these targets, but for this it should have to break these upside resistances. If Uni fail this, fails to break these resistance, then maybe some sideways action you can see. Let me please show you my third coin, which is very bullish right now. Kusama, KSM. KSM was rejected from that zone, was pulled back from $417 level, and now it is currently trading at $478. What will be our first target? Let me please show you. Kusama first target, KSM first target will be this zone, and after hitting this, it will go up. Definitely, it will go up because it is very good coin and it is very bullish right now. And this is the main trend line, and let me please do this. This is the second trend line. And let me please arrange this chart. Once it break this zone, then in that case, let me please show you my second target, sorry. In that case, my second target will be this. $543 and $543. These are two targets for the Kusama right now. My next one is VChain. I'm very bullish on this coin because having very good team, having very bright future and a good project it is. It was rejected from $0.079 and now it is currently trading at $0.09. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, then it will go to hit 0.098 again. What is my first target? Let me please show you. Sorry for that. Because this is a W pattern. Once it breaks the neckline of this W pattern, then definitely it have to hit this zone and it will create new all-time high. 0.103, 0.10, 30, 41. These are the targets, and this is first target. And once it breaks this horizontal resistance and these horizontal resistances, then in that case it have to hit these zones. 0.1006. These are the levels. These are two targets for the VChain right now for me. Let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is Litecoin, and Litecoin was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully Litecoin break this falling wedge. Let me please show you how beautifully Litecoin break this falling wedge. What is the next target for the Litecoin right now? Let me please show you. My first target according to this support zone, it is our first target $202 for the Litecoin, and let me please show you my second target, which is the height of this descending triangle, or you can say falling wedge. This is the second target, 220, 202 and 220. These are two targets for the Litecoin right now for me. Let me please show you Binance coin. Binance was rejected from this zone, which was at $250, and now it is currently at $256, $266, sorry, and it is creating also a W pattern. This is the horizontal resistance, and let me please show you. Once it breaks this horizontal, this is the horizontal resistance, and this was the main support line. Once it breaks this neckline, let me please show you the target. In that case, it have to hit this zone and will create this new. This is the target. 284 is our first target for this coin, Binance coin, and our second target will be, let me please show you. once it break this zone. These horizontal resistance levels are very important, which are at 268 and 277. Once BNB break these resistance levels, then definitely it have to hit these targets. 303 and 284, these are two targets for the Binance coin right now. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Aave. Aave was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully break Aave this falling wedge. Let me please tell you my first target according to the pattern. This is our first target, 367, and let me please tell you my second target. $371. These are two targets, but the third target will be this zone, the beginning of this falling wedge, which is at 395. You can say 390 will be our third target. This is our third target. Note down these targets: 367 first target, 371 second target, 390 third target. My next one is Maker USDT. Maker was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully Maker pulled back from this zone, which was at $1,908, and now it is currently struggling to break this horizontal resistance, which is at $232. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, our first target will be this zone. Let me please show you. In that case, our first target will be this zone, 21.67, and our second target will be the beginning of this falling wedge, which is at this zone, 2263. These are two targets, 2167 and 2263. My next one is EGLD. EGLD was pulled back from $128, and let me please arrange this chart. This is turning a strong resistance level right now. Once it break this resistance, because this is like a W pattern too, then definitely it have to hit this. You can see. Once it break horizontal resistance, which is at $136, in that case, our first target will be $143. This is our first target, and our second target will be this new all-time high, second target will be $148. This will be our second target. Let me please show you my third coin, my next coin, which is Doggy. Doggy was in this falling wedge, or you can say falling broadening wedge, and after that Doggy break this and pull back from 0.052, and now it is currently trading at $0.056. What is our first target? Let me please show you. This will be our first target, and our second target will be the beginning of this falling wedge, which is currently at 0.060. My next coin is Ripple. Ripple failed to hold this down trend line, and now it was bounced back from $0.53. Let me please remove this line. No means of this line right now. It is currently in this horizontal channel, and horizontal resistance is at $0.60. Horizontal support zone is at $0.53. Let me please arrange this. This is very important zone. Once it break this upside trend line, in that case our first target will be, let me please show you, $0.60. In that case $0.60 will be our first target, and after that once it breaks $0.60, then definitely it will going to hit my next target. In that case my next target will be this 0.66. These are two targets for this Ripple, 0.60 and 0.66. These are two targets for the Ripple. My next coin is PanSwap Cake. How beautifully it is bullish. It is at $13.90, and it was pulled back from $10.58, and it is now is in this beautiful W, and it break this beautiful W. What will be the target? Let me please show you. Our first target will be this zone, my dear friends. 14.51 is our first target. Once it breaks 14.51, then let me please show you my next target. I am very much bullish, and I like this project personally, and this project this coin is in my portfolio. And if you want to buy this coin from Binance, just go to in this video's description and get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds to make account. These are two targets for the Pancake swap, 14.5 and $16.17. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Lit USDT. Lit was in this falling wedge, and you can say falling channel, and how beautifully Lit break this, and how bullish it is right now. Let me please tell you my first target, because it break this this falling channel, and you can say falling wedge. What is our first target? Let me please tell you. Our first target is this zone, and our first target is this, and this is the horizontal resistance, which is at $10.14. Once it break this horizontal resistance, which is $10.14, then definitely it will hit $11. First target is $11, and second target is the beginning of this falling wedge, this zone, $12.50, you can say, or you can say $12.47. 1 inch USDT is our next coin. 1 inch is in this falling broadening wedge, and descending broadening wedge, and it was pulled back from $4.0 price level, and it is currently struggling to hold this zone, which is $4.31. Once it hit this zone and break this zone, in that case our first target, let me please tell you, in that case our first target will be this. But for upside movement, it have to break $4.45 horizontal resistance, then it have to break $4.52 upside trend line. In that case it will go up to hit $4.9 is our first target, and our second target will be $5.22. Our next coin is SXP. SXP was pulled back from this zone, and it was at $3.1, and now it is currently trading at $3.46, and now it is creating a bull flag and W pattern too. Let me please show you how it is creating a bull flag right now. You can see this. It is currently is in this bull flag. Here you can see, according to the technicalities, our target will be this. Let me please show you. $3.76 first target, because it is also breaking the W pattern, and once it break this neckline, in that case Let me please show you my target. In that case, our second target will be this zone. These are two targets, and let me please show you the third target. I think these three targets, it can achieve these three targets. SXP can hit these three targets, I think so. 4.0, 3.76 and 3.91. These are the targets. My next one is Matic, very important coin, and my favorite. And Matic is currently struggling to break this upside trend line, which is currently at 0.3685, and it was rejected. It was pulled back from $0.31. Once it break this zone, which is at 0.3734, this zone, in that case, let me please tell you my first target. In that case, my first target will be this, because it is creating up like a bull flag. Yes, it is. 0.4351 is our first target, and our second target will be, once it break this, then it will go to hit $0.50. This is our second target. These are two targets for the Matic. Let me please show you my my next one, which is SNX. SNX was pulled back from this zone, which is $17, and now it is currently trading at $18.08, and this is the horizontal resistance, which is at $18.37. Once it break this horizontal resistance, then definitely it will go up to hit this zone. Let me please show you my target. But for this target, it have to hit, it have to break $18.37. If it break and close over the candles above this level, in that case it will go up. 19.80 is our first target, and our second target will be $20, you can say. But I think this is very realistic target, and let's see what is next. Reef was in this falling channel, descending channel, and it break perfectly, and now it is currently trading at $0.039. What is our first target will be according to the pattern? But according to the pattern, 0.415. 0.4151 is our first target, and our second target will be the beginning of this descending channel, or descending wedge, you can say, falling wedge. 0.043 and 0.041, these are two targets, and main thing is that it break this upside trend line, and now it is currently is at 0.039. This is very good for the health of reef and for the growth of reef. I think these targets it can hit within days. My next coin, my favorite token, BitTorrent, BTT. BTT was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully BTT break this falling wedge, and it is currently trading at $0.003237. What will be my target? My first target will be this zone. Let me please show you, because it is going to break this upside resistance level, and this was the resistance level, and you can say this will be the support zone. And let me please tell you my first target. My first target will be this zone. People buy this token in millions, and people are very bullish in this token. And if you want to buy this token on Binance, this is very cheap. This is available in very cheap price on Binance. Then go to in this video description and get the link of Binance Exchange. Click on this link and create your account. First target is $0.0037, and second target will be this horizontal upside resistance, which is at 0.0039,516. These are two targets. 0.00374 and 0.0039,517. My next coin is Algorand. This is the main trend line, upside trend line, and it is creating a beautiful W pattern, and it is currently is at $1.17. Once it breaks this W pattern, let me please show you how beautiful it is. This is a beautiful W pattern. Once it breaks this upside trend line and the neckline, both are very important. Here you can see. Let me please remove this. This is the main trend line and neckline of this W pattern. Once it breaks this, then definitely it will go to hit my target, my first target. Let me please show you. In that case, my first target will be this 1.27, you can say 1.27, and our second target will be this zone, which is $1.31, and this is the zone, $1.31. Sorry, this is the upside resistance level, and these are the targets, 1.27 and 1.3128 for Algorand right now. My next one is TWT. TWT is currently breaking this falling channel and descending channel, sorry, and now it is currently is at $0.60. My next target according to the pattern, and now it is also in this beautiful W pattern, beautiful, and break this upside trend line, and now it have to break this upside neckline of this W pattern. In that case, our target will be, first target will be this zone, and once it break this, then it have to hit this zone, 0.67, you can say 0.67. This will be our target, and let me please, according to this pattern, our second target will be this. I think the main same target, 0.67 and 0.69. These are the targets for this TWT. And let me please show you my next coin, which is Win USDT pair, and Win was pulled back from this zone 0.00034, and it is currently struggling to break this upside resistance, which is at, let me please show you. This is the upside resistance level, and it is at 0.0003899. Once it breaks this upside resistance level, resistance zone, then it have to hit this. In that case, our target will be this. In that case, our target will be this, 0.000043931. This will be our first target, and our second target will be this zone, 0.00044. This will be our second target. In that case, these are two targets. And let me please show you my next coin, which is UTK, and very beautiful coin. And UTK was in this downtrend, and how beautifully it break this upside upside trend line, and now it is currently struggling to break this upside trend line. Once it break this upside trend line, in that case, let me please tell you, this is very important zone, which is $0.62. Once it break this horizontal resistance and upside trend line and break 0.62 to $0.63, in that case it will go up. Let me please show you. in that case this will be our target, beautiful target, and maybe it will create this 0.74. In that case 0.74 will be our target. My next coin is Harmony 1. Harmony is very looking very bullish, and it is currently at $0.20 and clearly break this upside resistance level. And now what is the next target? The next target for the Harmony is this 0.2469 will be our target, and this will be the trend line. It should have to respect this trend line. Once it break this towards the downside, then definitely it will go down, but currently it is very bullish right now. This is the first, this is the target, the main target, I think so. Let me please tell you my next coin, but before this let me please tell you the second target. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, our second target will be this zone, 0.32831. This will be our second target for the Harmony right now. 0.2469, 0.3283. Let me please show you my next one, which is CRV. CRV break this downtrend, break this falling channel, and now it is creating a bull flag, and it was rejected from $3.33. Sorry for that. Let me please. This is like a bull flag for me. Sorry for this. But it break this bull flag. No, it is not a bull flag. To be realistic, let me please show you what is the resistance level right now, and after that I will tell you the target. This is the support zone, and this will be our target. This is our second target. Our first target will be this zone, horizontal resistance. 3.27 is our first target. 3.75 will be our second target. And let me please tell you my next coin, which is HBAR, Hedera Hash, and it was ready to break this upside trend line. Once it break this upside trend line, let me please show you. This is the upside resistance level, and once it break this, it should have to break this zone 2. In that case, our first target will be this zone. $0.38 will be our first target, and our second target will be this zone, $0.45. These are two targets for H bar. Let me please show you the Bake token, and Bake is currently struggling to break this upside trend line, which is currently at $1.13. Once it break this, and it is also in this W pattern. This is a W pattern, and this is the neckline of this W pattern. Once it break this W pattern, in that case, sorry for that. In that case, our first target will be $1.30 and our second target will be $1.36. But for this, it have to break this upside trend line and close over the candle above, and it is now breaking this. Here you can see. And let me please zoom this. Here you can see it is breaking now. These are the targets. Let me please show you my next one, which is AVAX. AVAX was in this falling channel, and how beautifully it break this, and after that, what will be our next target? According to the pattern, our first target will be this zone. Our second target will be, let me please show you. Our second target will be this zone, and our third target will be $35. These are three targets, and according to the technical chart, technical pattern, it have to hit $39 again very soon. But currently these are three targets. My next coin is Atom Cosmos. It break this falling wedge, and now it is currently is at $19.76. First upside target for this is that zone. This is our first target, $21.20 you can say, and let me please show you my second target. This will be our second target, $23. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Koti, very important coin, and Koti has many events throughout the year, and Koti break this rising channel towards downside, and now it is not necessary, and let me please remove this and pull back from this zone, which is $0.4681, and now it is currently struggling to hold this zone, which is $0.52, and this will be the next resistance level. Our first target of the Koti is that zone, $0.58. Our second target will be this zone. Let me please show you. Our second target for the Koti is this zone. $0.69. These are the targets. Please note down these targets. My next one is NEEM, and this is the upside trend line, and it is currently at $0.36, and it is struggling to break this horizontal resistance, which is $0.38. Once it breaks this $0.38, in that case it will go up. Otherwise, maybe some sideways action. If break this zone, in that case it will hit $0.42. This will be the target. But for this, it have to break these resistance, which are very strong right now. Once it break this upside trend line, in that case it will go up. Otherwise, some sideways action. Here you can see this is the main upside trend line. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Ocean, and Ocean was in this falling wedge, and how beautifully it break this, and it is currently trading at $1.47, and currently is trying to break this upside resistance level, which is at $1.49. Once it break $1.49, in that case, our first target will be, sorry for that. In that case, our first target will be this zone. In that case, our first target $1.60, 1.5973, and our second target is the beginning of this falling wedge, and it is at $1.70. These are two targets for the ocean right now. Let me please show you my next one, which is in Engine, ENJIN, and it break this falling channel and also break this upside trend line, and now it is ready to blast. And let me please, it is creating a bull flag, very beautiful bull flag, and definitely I think once it break this bull flag, in that case it will go to, let me please show you in what price level. In that case, sorry for that, I'm sorry. In that case, it is ready to hit this zone. 2.82 is our target for the engine right now. This is our target. This is our first target. In that case, let me please show you my second target. Second target will be this zone, 3.01. These are the targets for the engine right now. Let me please show you my next coin, which is HOT USDT. It was requested by my subscribers. HOT was rejected from this zone. HOT was pulled back from this zone, which is $0.00692, and now it is trying to break this upside resistance, which is at $0.083, $0.008394. Once it breaks this upside resistance, in that case, our first target will be this one, 0.00984. But for this, it have to hit this zone, which is 0.008394. You can say this will be our first target, and after achieving this first target and breaking this horizontal resistance, it should have to hit this target, 0.00984998. This is the target. Let me please show you my next coin, which is AST USD. AST USD was in this rising channel, and after that it pulled back. It break this and pull back from this zone, and now it is currently trying to break this zone. It is not necessary now. And what is my next first target? My first target is this upside resistance level, which is $0.64, and once it breaks this $0.64, in that case, our second target will be this. Please note down these support levels. These are the support levels for this token, and this is our 0.7837, 0.6454 is our first target, 0.7873, 0.7837. This is our second target. Let me please show you my next coin, which is very, very important, MBL USDT. And MBL was rejected from this zone, $0.021, and it fails to break this. Once it break this zone, and in that case, let me please show you, because this is the upside trend line and this is the horizontal resistance right now. Once it break this zone, in that case, our first target will be this. And our second target will be this zone. These are the targets. But for this move, it should have to break this zone, which is at $0.0215, and close over the candle above this level, which is 0.021213 you can say, and after that it have to hit these levels. Let me please show you my next coin. My next coin is T-Fuel. Many of my subscribers are asking me to do technical analysis of this token, and here it is. It was currently is at $0.4793. And this is the main trend line. Once it breaks this trend line towards downside, in that case it will go down, and this is the main resistance level, and now this is the main support level. Let me please arrange this. If it break this zone, then maybe it will go down to hit this zone, and after that it will go up. In that case, our first target will be this zone. Our first target is this zone, 0.5588, and once it break this zone, in that case it have to go to upside. It have to go to towards upside. In that case 0.67 will be our second target. If unfortunately it break this downtrend line, which is currently at $0.4330, and break this support zone, which is at $0.4468, in that case maybe it will go down to hit this level 0.37. In that case this will be our target, but I think it have to go towards upside, and it should have to pull back from this zone, and maybe it will go down to hit this support zone, which is at $0.44, and after that it will move towards upside, and maybe it will hit these targets. But if it break this downtrend line and break this support zone, in that case it is ready to go to $0.36. CELR. It was in the parabolic move, and it is currently is at $0.08879, and it is creating a W pattern. Here you can see how beautifully it is creating a W pattern, beautiful pattern, and it break this W pattern too. In that case our first target will be, let me please show you. In that case our first target will be this zone, because it yes, it is our first target. 0.105 is our target. Once it break this target, then in that case, because this is the main support line, in that case let me please show you. In that case it is ready to go to upside, go towards upside, and sorry for that, sorry. This is the target, 0.12326, and if unfortunately it move towards downside and break this downside trend support zone, which is 0.0733, then it will go down. Otherwise it is ready to hit these targets. My next coin is CHR USDT pair in Binance chart, 1 hour chart, and let me please show you what are the targets. Sorry, this is the upside resistance level. Let me please draw this, and please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation, because I will make this kind of exclusive content and this kind of useful content for you. That is why I am asking from you to please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please thumbs up the like button, and please join my Telegram channel, because on my Telegram I regularly update. This is our first target. Once it break this upside resistance level, which is $0.3579, in that case 0.40 is, you can say $0.41 is our first target. and our second target will be this zone, which is 0.43, and maybe this will be our second target, and our third target will be this zone. These are three targets. But if it fails to break this upside resistance, in that case maybe some sideways action. Let me please show you my next coin, which is Zilliqa. Zilliqa was rejected from this zone, and it is at currently at 0.173, and it was rejected from $0.1766, and it create this W pattern, and this is the horizontal resistance it is facing right now, and this is the downside support zone and trend line, support trend line. This is first trend line, and this will be the second trend line. Once it breaks this upside resistance, which is at 0.177, in that case our target will be this. In that case our target will be this. But if it fails to break this upside resistance, which is at 0.17662, in that case maybe some sideways action. But our first target is this, our second target will be this, 0.19337 and 0.20322. These are two targets. And let me please show you something, it is very interesting. This is the main trend line, upside trend line. For upside movement, Zilliqa should have to break this upside trend line, otherwise it will go down. And it is currently is at, this line is currently is at 0.17 and 0.17320, 0.173. My next one is EWS. EWS was rejected from this zone, which is 0.0096. Once it break this upside resistance, because it break upside trend line, and this is the good sign for this token, because it break this, definitely it will go up, and in that case our first target, let me please tell you, if it break 0.00973 dollars level and close hourly candle above this zone, then definitely our target will be this zone, 0.0142. Our first target will be this, 0.0136. This is our first target, and this will be our second target according to the patterns. These are the targets. Please note down these targets, because this coin was requested by my subscribers. STMX USDT. It was rejected from this zone, and this is the horizontal resistance, which is at $0.066. Once it breaks this horizontal resistance, in that case our target will be this. In that case our target will be this zone. 0.0882. You can say our first target will be this, our second target will be this. These are two targets for the STMX, STOMX. Let me please show you my next one, which is PHA USDT. And PHA successfully break this falling channel or descending channel, and it was rejected from this zone, 0.9847, and it is creating a bull flag like, and let me please show you, it is creating a bull flag like, sorry for that, it is creating a bull flag like, yes, definitely it is creating a bull flag like. Clear bull flag, and let me please tell you the targets. My first target is $1.07, and second target will be this zone, $1.14. My next token is DNT. DNT was rejected from this zone, and this is the horizontal resistance it is facing right now. It is currently trading at $0.34. Let me please arrange this chart. This is the upside resistance level. This is the downside trend support zone. Once it breaks this upside resistance, sorry for that, this is the 0.3561. In that case, let me please show you very clearly. In that case, our target will be this zone, 0.39. But to hit this target, this will be our first target, and our second target will be this 0.3989. But for this, it have to break this zone, upside resistances, which are at 0.3561 and $0.3618. And let me please show you. Once it break this upside trend line, definitely it will go up. My next coin is BNT. BNT break this upside trend line how beautifully, and it is currently trading at $7.54. Our first target, once it break this upside resistance level, which is $7.60. Once it break this $7.60 with over the candle close, then definitely in that case our first target will be. In that case, our target will be this 7.94, and our second target will be this zone, $8.11. These are two targets. My next coin is RSR. RSR was in this falling channel and falling wedge, and how beautifully it break this, and now it currently going to retest this zone. In that case, our first target will be this zone. This will be our first target, 0.092. But for this, it have to break this upside resistance level, which is at $0.090. And once it break this, 0.092 is our first target, and then second target is $0.10. My next coin is Phil. Phil was in this bull flag, and how beautifully Phil hit my target. I was to post this, and how beautifully hit my target, $92. And it is after hitting this, it is now at $90.5. My first target for this is $96.87, and for the file coin right now. And my second target for the file coin, after hitting this zone, definitely it have to move towards upside. After hitting this, our second target will be this. So beautiful target, $96 and $108. These are the target for this file coin, and I am very much bullish on this coin, and personally I like this coin very much. And if you want to buy this coin from Binance Exchange, and if you want to buy these coins, I think all coins are available on this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to open a leverage trade account, then click on this link and you can create. And if you want to collect some small cap coins, then click on this link and create your account. Thanks for the watching, friends, and please keep supporting me. Take care.